Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm starting a vlog kind of a thing. Sorry, I'm just in bed and I've got my hairband just at the back there. But hey, look at my new hair. I got some highlights done. These are about a week old and I really love my hairdresser, like the way he did them. Like, it's just fantastic. Excuse the mess at the back. I am in love with my hair. I didn't actually get a chance to style them today, but they just, oh, they're so good. I love it. It really just gives me like a nice like you look like you look ready without even making an effort. So yes, check it out. I got a haircut too, and I just really love my highlights. Like, look at that. That looks really good. Anyways, enough rambling. I'm actually starting the vlog a little bit late today. Actually, I had 3 days off and this is like nearing the end of 3 days. We're going into the long weekend, but I had my long weekend a little bit earlier, like retail life sucks. But I sat down to film this morning and it's a little bit of a struggle because I am using this camera right here. So I've been using this one right here to film, which is the Canon 1300D, it's been really good, but I changed my setup just recently and I've got my computer in my bedroom now, so I can, like, if I want to do some late night editing, I can actually do that conveniently. So I brought my computer here, but then I used to use that as a viewfinder previously. But now, because this is here and I've got another external monitor that I use to connect my 1300 to that one, and I spent 2 hours this morning trying to film and ultimately I couldn't film because it was just giving me a lot of grief. I couldn't focus, and if I got it to focus on me, it wouldn't focus on like the products. And it was a first impressions kind of video, so I really didn't want to, like, start trying it and then, just hope for the best, like it's gonna work. But long story short, it was a very unproductive 3 days. I mean, it was productive because I got like stuff around the house done, but I couldn't do any kind of filming. I couldn't do any kind of, I did get a video up because I had one pre-filmed that I edited and I got it up, but yeah, it's been a nightmare. So anyways, what I ended up doing today was I ended up going for shopping for a new camera. So I thought I would actually unbox while I have you guys here with me. Anyway, this is my new camera. We did end up picking this SD card, and I got the extreme, the one that goes with like up to 90 mbps for this speed, because I feel like these record video really well. But this is the camera that I ended up getting. So this is the Canon EOS 800D, and it comes with the standard 18 to 55 mm lens kit, which is also what I have in my 1300D. But then we ended up picking this lens right here. This is the 50 mm and this is for like portrait photography. This is really good to like give you the blurred background kind of a thing, but you have to sit really far from this one just so that you can have like that nice shot in the camera, this is what I've been using in my last few videos, and I really love this lens. We got a really good deal on the camera. So this one costed this one was about $1,100. It was priced at about $1,200 and something, but then I think they had a sale going on and they forgot to take it off, so we actually got it at the reduced tag because it was like advertised that way in store. So this is what I have. So let me just quickly set you guys up in a way where I can actually show you guys the camera unboxing and stuff. So bear with me. Okay, so it's not the best lighting. I've got like all the lights turned on, but I mean, you guys can see my haircut now. It's a little bit cold today, but anyways, we're gonna jump straight into unboxing my camera. So we'll just do it. I'll have to lift it up because anyways, so just opening it up, this is what it looks like. You've got your warranty card. Got your warranty card, and you've got the Canon booklet. This is also called the T7i in other countries. And then we've got the QR code in order to download the app and stuff. So when you open it up, everything is nicely packaged in there. How am I gonna make this work? Okay, there we go. So everything is nicely packaged in there. You've got your cable for the battery pack, or the battery charger. You've got your battery in there. I'm gonna have to check because I did order a couple of extra batteries for my Canon 1300D, so I'm gonna have a look and see if that'll work. And then I've also got the little charger. Ooh. So this charger right there. And then I believe this might be the lens. So I've got this one coming out of the box. Yeah, so this is the lens. It's packaged really well. And I'm actually gonna hold on to this just so that we can save it. So you've got your lens, you've got a cap on this side, a cap on this side, and then we're just gonna attach this too. And then you've got the camera right in there. So everything is like pretty nice and compact. I feel like they could have done a little bit, you know, they could have gone with a little bit of less packaging, but that's okay. I don't have any makeup on except for my brows on, so anyways. I think I need to be comfortable doing videos without makeup on, which I do. I mean, like I start out with that. But anyway, so this is what the camera looks like. There we go. Now, the good thing about this one is it's got the lens that you can, or not like the screen that you can pull out. There we go. And this is the reason, this is the whole reason why I actually got it. It's actually not as big as I thought it was going to be. So this is what the two cameras look side by side, and I'll do a comparison again with the lenses on, but honestly it's not as bad, it's not as big. If anything, they probably look the same to me. This one's still got my tripod stand hook thing underneath it, but yeah, I actually really like it. So you've got your mic port here, which I didn't have in the other one, so that's your mic one, and then you've got your HDMI and the USB one. So I actually just got a new HDMI connector for the monitor, and I'm so glad it's the same one. It's that same one there. Oh, and this one's also got the remote part. So this one has two connections here. Yes. So you've got two, and I'm so glad I can actually just reuse a mic connecting to this. You've got your mic port. You've got your mic port just on that side, and then you've got your camera port right there. If I can make it work. Sorry guys, the lighting is not the best. Yeah, so there are a few different features on this one, like the angling of, I'll put photos side by side. The angling, like some of the keys are a little bit different. You've got your separate mode for video, which I'm yes screaming for. And then you've got your card insert right there on the side. So this is going to be amazing when I have the camera on the tripod and I actually just want to quickly change SD cards. And then you've got your battery right in there. So it's pretty cool. I feel like it's a bit different. I feel like it's going to be a little bit of a different battery. So I'm just going to open up the battery here. Oh, good Lord. I think it is different. I'm just going to... Oh yeah, definitely different. Oopsies. That's all right. I'm actually going to be giving away this camera to my father-in-law, so he will have a couple of extra batteries to keep him going. Okay, how do we, this way? Oh, okay. I almost put it the wrong way. Let's connect the lens. I'm gonna try and do this in front of the camera as much as possible. So we're gonna just remove this. Now, this is what I really like about this. This is stainless steel, whereas some of the other cameras have what do they have? The plastic one. So I'm just gonna attach this. There is a white dot. So the idea is there is a white dot on the camera right there, and then on the lens as well. So the idea is to just pair them up, and then you want to click it into place. So there we go. And then we want to insert the memory card. I'm just going to use what I have at the moment in this camera. So what I have is the Ultra SD card, not the Extreme. I think what I got was the Extreme one, but I have the Ultra one in here. Okay. And we're just going to try out the flip screen. Cool. We're going to set the date. So today is, and I think this is touchscreen. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. How do I set the date? Okay, there we go. What is the date today? Today's the 5th of October. Change the battery pack. So guys, we're gonna have to come back to this because the battery is dead, and I'm gonna have to charge it a little bit. So bear with me, but in the meantime, we'll just have a look at the screen right here. So from my understanding, you can swivel it and then actually push it back in if you wanted to. And get the control that you really need with this camera. So I'm actually really excited. Like I said, I was gonna put it side by side so you guys can have a look. This one does feel just a tad bit heavier, but honestly, I love it. This one's got autofocus and manual focus and stabilizer, whereas this one does not have the stabilizer one in there. So really cool. A lot of the features are a little bit different. One thing that I did forget to show you was in the box, you've also got the strap, your typical Canon strap. So we've got that. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm just going to charge the camera a little bit, or the battery of the camera a little bit, and then we will do a little bit more discovering. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm actually now filming on the new camera, and I'm still using the same lens that came with the camera, so the 18 to 55mm one. And I love the fact that there is a viewfinder because I can actually stay in focus and keep an eye on it as well, which is really great. It is a little bit heavier, you know, like to vlog and stuff, but of course I'm just using my hand at the moment to propel it up. I think it might be a little bit easier if I were to use like a tripod or something like that, but I really like the fact that it's staying in focus, and it's actually doing a really good job with adapting the lighting and everything. And I just love how much control I have with this one in comparison to the other one. I'm sorry it's a little bit shaky, but that's just because it's on my hands. But yeah, I thought I would actually show you what it looks like on this camera. But I'm just gonna end this video here just because I think I just want to keep it at unboxing this new video, what it's like and all of that. I'm still in the same lighting. I'm just directly underneath the light right now. So yeah, I think yesterday there's the same thing. Yes, same thing yesterday. But yeah guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit like on this video. Until next time, I'll have a new video coming up very soon with this new camera, and I'm really excited. I think I'm going to be doing a foundation wear test. I'm hoping to film it tomorrow, and then I'll have that going up pretty soon as well. So yes, much more to come. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.